the shadowy skies of modern warfare, a new weapon has emerged. Not sleek jets or stealth helicopters, but something smaller, cheaper, and eerily effective. The Iranian Shahed-136 drone, known to some as a Kamikaze drone or loitering munition, the Shahed-136 has shifted the balance on several battlefields. It's not just a flying machine, it's a symbol of geopolitical alignment, asymmetric warfare, and technological pragmatism. Section 1. What is the Shahed-136? The Shahed-136, produced by Iran's aircraft industrial company, HISA, is a loitering munition designed for long-range precision strikes. First unveiled around 2020, it's become a staple of Iran's drone arsenal. Mechanics and design: wingspan, about 2.5 meters length, roughly 3.5 meters engine, small gasoline-powered pusher engine, reportedly Chinese-made speed, approximate 180 kilometers per hour, 110 miles per hour, range up to 2,000 kilometers, over 1,200 miles, payload 30 to 50 kilograms warhead, typically high explosive guidance, GNSS like GPS and GLONASS with pre-programmed target coordinates, navigation, inertial and satellite guidance, simple but hard to jam. The Shahed-136 is launched from a ramp using a solid fuel booster and is designed to dive into its target. Once in the air, it loiters until it locks in, then slams into its target like a guided missile. Its cost effectiveness is what makes it lethal. Each unit is estimated at just $20,000 to $50,000. Compare that to a multi-million-dollar Patriot missile used to intercept it, and you begin to understand the math of modern war. Section 2. Who uses the Shahed-136? While Iran is the manufacturer, it's not the only operator. 1. Russia. The Shahed-136 made headlines when it was deployed by Russia in Ukraine starting in late 2022. In Russian service, it's rebranded as the Goran 2. Used in swarms, these drones have targeted Ukrainian infrastructure, power plants, water systems, and even residential areas. 2. Iran-backed militias. Groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen, and militias in Iraq have reportedly gained access to variants or derivatives of the Shahed-136. It fits perfectly into the doctrine of asymmetric warfare, using cheap, effective tools to challenge better-equipped adversaries. Section 3. Political and strategic context. Iran's export of drones is not just about cash, it's geopolitical. Isolated by sanctions, Tehran has leaned into its drone program as a means of influence. Iran and Russia, facing a mutual adversary in the West, particularly the United States, Iran and Russia, have deepened their military cooperation. Iran supplied drones to Russia during a critical moment in the Ukraine war, likely in exchange for economic incentives or advanced weaponry. This alliance sends a message. Tehran doesn't just survive isolation, it weaponizes it. Iran and the Middle East. By arming non-state actors, Iran extends its strategic reach. Shahed drones give proxy groups the ability to strike targets hundreds of miles away. Deterrent, propaganda, and tactic rolled into one. Response from the West? The US, EU, and others have imposed sanctions on Iranian drone manufacturers. NATO countries have accelerated anti-drone tech development. Ukraine has used jamming systems, small arms, and even net-based defenses to stop the drones mid-air. Still, they remain difficult and costly to neutralize. Section 4. The tactical reality. The Shahed-136 isn't perfect. It's loud, earning it the nickname moped drone in Ukraine. It's slow, and it's relatively easy to detect, but in large numbers, it becomes a challenge. Swarm tactics are key. One or two drones might be shot down. But when dozens are launched simultaneously, some get through, especially when mixed with missiles to confuse defenses. For Russia, they're a psychological weapon as much as a strategic one. For Ukraine, they've forced the creation of entirely new air defense networks. Section 5. The future of drone warfare. The Shahed-136 isn't high-tech. It's low-cost, low-tech, high-impact, but it has reshaped modern warfare more than some billion-dollar systems. Iran's drone program is evolving, reportedly developing stealthier, AI-guided versions. And countries like North Korea and Venezuela are rumored to be interested in acquiring similar technologies. The Shahed-136 is more than a drone. It's a symbol of a new era, where affordability, accessibility, and adaptability may trump pure firepower. In the battles of today and the wars of tomorrow, these silent wings may carry the loudest echoes. Subscribe for more deep dives into modern warfare, geopolitics, and the weapons shaping our world.